they want you, but there is other issues in the way. The person that you are dealing with feels as if they can't move forward because it will break up some sort of dynamic. It will be seen as inappropriate. I feel like this person has been heavily thinking about the situation between yourself and them, and they feel quite stuck. Quite is an understatement. They feel stuck. They feel as if the situation leads to disaster, not only in their life, but for your life too. They feel heavily inflicted mentally about what choices, decisions they should take. And they feel like the best decision is to not make a decision, is to leave things the way that they are. But then when they are in that energy of just leaving things, they feel dissatisfied. They feel, but what if, what if I do actually move towards yourself? What if, things do actually work out? But then there's a fear. And one of the reasons why this individual doesn't take action or doesn't make the situation progress is because they have allowed other factors such as work, such as home life to get in the way, and they try and balance out how a situation with you would work around their work life, would work around their home life, and they just feel that everything is too chaotic. This is a person that overthinks, and I know we can all tend to overthink from time to time, right? But this is a person that just doesn't really see the light at the end of the tunnel. They could have a very negative mindset, and in general, I'm saying, right? And this person panics when they think about being in a situation, a connection with you, a relationship with you. They think about, oh, but what if this happens? What if they find out this about me? What if they realize that they don't like me after all once they get to know the real me? What if I can't focus on them and focus on work, or focus on them and focus on my family life? Or, it's a whole heap of mess this person thinks about in their head, which makes them anxious, which puts them off, and which makes them stuck. And also it makes them feel unstable, like mentally unstable, because on one hand they do want to move towards you, and then on another hand they tell themselves that it's wrong, and they tell themselves why it's not good to move towards you, and how negative it will be, not to say you're negative, but how negative it will be for them, how the situation would impact them. They will feel overwhelmed. They will feel as if they can't balance things out. So they feel more focused on the negative aspects as opposed to the positive aspects in regards to being with you. This person has a very lack mindset, and they have self-sabotage in the past. They've taught themselves out of many different opportunities and situations, and it's only maybe months, weeks, or even years later they realize that they should have taken opportunities. I feel like this individual is very stuck. This individual, they want to change their situation, but they feel like they can't. And I feel like they could have other factors outside of what they think influencing them. This could be, colleagues from work that they need to remove themselves from, that they need to walk away from. It could actually be a job that they may need to leave because this job could be draining them. And this person, for some of you, may overly indulge, which actually confuses them some more. I feel like this person has a lot of options in general, right? But you're different. And this person is aware that you're different, but maybe in the past they treated you as if you were just like any other option. But they realize that you stand apart from the rest. And there's something intriguing about you, something magical, something mystical about you. And this person is aware that if they don't act sooner, you could simply disappear from their life. And they are aware that you yourself have a lot of options. They feel like you are an energetic match. I don't know if they'll say it in those words, but they do feel like you are a match. But subconsciously, they do feel like time is running out. And for some of you, they feel as if this connection should only exist in the 5D, because to exist in the 3D will cause major upheavals and major blockages and delays. But they often manifest you in, and they've actually manifested you in their life in general, right? But I feel like they often daydream about you, and they fantasize about how things would be, where you will go, how the connection will be, what you will both be doing. And then they act very defensive when they see you in real life, because I feel like this individual feels as though they're not good enough. So for some of you, they push you away so that you don't find out that they're not good enough in their view, in their eyes. It's not true, right? But this individual feels as if they haven't got enough to offer, whether that's financially, emotionally, and mentally. And they feel as if they're non-deserving. For some of you, this person is trying to get over a past betrayal, an ex-partner, and they may have been single for a long time. They could have been single for like 3 years. And this is part of the reason why they delay this actual connection. They were connected or in a relationship with a very mean-spirited, ruthless person who really done a ringer on the person that you are connected with. And it has traumatized the person that you're connected with. And they need to get to the root of that, and they need to heal that, because unless they heal that, they're not going to allow anyone to get close to them. And because they were associated with this person from the past, they just felt like they had to put their guard up. They had to put their armor up. They can't allow anyone close to them because they dreaded experiencing that excruciating pain that they felt in the past. And it took them an extremely long time to overcome the betrayal, overcome, I'm hearing the deceit, and also overcome the pain that was caused. And remember, this person they don't like to connect to their pain. And when they do, at times they shut their pain out, or they push their pain onto other people. And I feel like they push their pain onto you. And how they see you as someone that is very regal, very royal. I'm hearing that song, Taurus Riley, She's Royal. You know, someone by Taurus Riley. But they see you as someone that deserves the best. They have a lot of respect for you. And yes, they do fantasize about being with someone like you, but it's a them thing. They feel like they're not good enough. They feel like they're a page and you're a king or you're a queen. You know, they feel that they're not on your level. And you may not look at the situation like that, but they do, because it's their insecurities. They feel a lot of emotions for you, emotions that they've never felt in a long time or never felt before. They are in love with you, but they try and shut down these emotions due to fear, but for some of you, they are feeling the fear and they want to head towards you anyway. This person feels like they need to be stable within self, like have more confidence within self, feel good about themselves in order to be your match in the 3D. They do feel like your connection with them is a very important connection. They feel like you are their good karma and they want to have this new beginning. You excite this person. You have made this person want to level up. This person wants to offer you and give you the best. For some of you, they may want to invite you to their home or out on a date, but they feel very fearful. They know they're going through some sort of transformation and they cannot resist it. This person is going to reach out because they want to reconnect, because a connection like yours is once in a lifetime.